Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am using the Celebrate Sunflowers Cling Stamp set from Stampin' Up, and this is the card that I am making. I love it. Let me show you how to put it together. You want a piece of Whisper White cardstock that is 9.5 centimetres by 13.85 centimetres. And I've just got some scrap grid paper here because, you know, I get messy. And the memento, which I did have on my desk, but for some reason I put back on the shelf. There we go. Ink it up. And you just want to sort of create a DSP background with this, okay? So you want to pop it all over the card, but you don't really want to have any sort of rhyme or reason for where it goes. You just want to fill up as much of the background as possible. Isn't that gorgeous? Doesn't it stamp beautifully? I love it. Really do. So I'm just going to ink that back up again and go again. And again and again and again. I got 5 onto this one. Let's see how many we can get onto this one. It's quite a big stamp, so it's quite easy when you go to make your own background with a big stamp because it takes up most of it, so it always looks quite nice, I think. Sometimes when you're trying to create your own DSP and you've got like a really small stamp, it can take some time and you have to try and work out how you're positioning them all and everything else on the paper. With this being a biggish stamp, it's okay. I'm not going to bother inking all of that up because I'm only going to use that top bit. Oh! Oh! You didn't see that. That didn't happen. It's okay, but you didn't see it. Didn't happen. Right, so for this, I did the quickest colouring out on these flowers. So quick, so easy. You want your blends, you want soft suede, dark and light, pretty pink, dark and light, not pretty pink, petal pink, and so saffron, dark and light. And then for the background, I'm just using light balmy blue. I was looking at it thinking, balmy blue, seaside spray, which one did I use? It was balmy blue. So for this, I'm going to use my pen. This is the dark pretty pink, and I'm going to just literally, this is so quick. You don't want to go into in-depth blending on them because it's such a busy background if you do. You kind of want to just keep it plain. So with the dark petal pink, I'm just sort of doing that, just giving it a hint of it being there. And then I'm going to use the light. I'm actually going to use the brush part of the light. Just spread it out a little bit further. Big circles. So it's like that. Really, really simple colouring. Around the edge of where you've put the pink, I'm just putting the dark So Saffron. And I'm just going back and forwards with the pen. I'm not even making any sense. I'm not trying to do the shady bits. I normally try and just do the shading bits. I'm just literally going around it like that. And then I'm coming in with the light So Saffron. Working from the outside in. Making sure it goes over the pink and the So Saffron as well. I just wanted it to look really pastely. I didn't want it, if you look at my channel, I have coloured this in properly. I have done it really nice. I've used about 7 different blends. I've got it all different shades. But on this one, because I'm colouring the background in, and there's quite a few of them on there, I just wanted it really, really subtle like that. And it starts to pop when you put your background colour on. So dark, soft saffron, soft suede, and the yellow is So Saffron. Dear, dear, dear. I've just popped a circle in the middle, around the outside. How quick and simple and easy was that? And that is my sunflower done. I'm going to go around the edge of the sunflower with the balmy blue. To where that horrible one linked. I know, not very happy about that, but there we go. And I'm just going to colour all of the background bit in. Like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to continue. I'm going to colour in the others and colour in the background. I'm going to speed the video up for you and I'm going to pop some music on. It won't take long to do because, as you can see, I'm really not putting that much effort into it. I'm just being a bit lazy with my colouring, but I think that gives it a really nice sort of pale background and quite like it. So it won't be long, probably a minute or two. Enjoy the music. Enjoy my hand whizzing away. I always think it's really funny when I look back at my time lapses because I think, my gosh, you look like, woo, you're going crazy. But yeah, so enjoy them and I'll see you back in a few minutes. Right then everybody, that's that done. I've actually gone over it twice because it came out a bit streaky to start off with just using the bullet tip, so I've done it twice to sort of mingle it in together. Actually realised the reason why I had mentioned Seaside Spray rather than Balmy Blue at the start, and it's because I'd done it in Seaside Spray on that one and Balmy Blue on this one, so that would obviously be why. And it wasn't until I was colouring that I noticed the difference and I was like, do you know what? We can live with this, we can live. So I've got a strip of Whisper White cardstock and the Thanks a Bunch sentiment is going to go on it. And pop it towards this end. I'm sure you've seen me do this a million times where I sort of make it into a little banner. And I'm going to colour it with the light So Saffron first. So I'm just literally going to straight over it like that. And I don't know why I wasn't talking and I was even holding my breath through that. The concentration of me trying to do straight lines with blends, eh? Over it again just to... So Saffron is a light colour. I didn't want to go over it with a dark because that would have been too dark, but a couple of times over with a light is fine by me. And then to create a tail, you just chop it up halfway, like that, and come in and meet it. And there we go. That's going to stick to the edge of there. And I also have a bit of the new, it's not really a ribbon, it's more like a kind of like a very soft burlap really. I'm just going to cut it so it's a little bit longer than the card. but it's really good. And you can actually colour this as well. You can use your blends to colour this and make it the colour of your project. I actually want my project to be this colour. So what I've actually done here is, whereas this was 9.5 centimetres by 12.85, I've got some crumb cake that is 10 centimetres by 14.25, so it's just half a centimetre bigger. But I have got some early espresso that I have chopped, so it is just a frame around there. There's not really a measurement for it, it's just around the white, literally, so you can see a hint of it. Alternatively, you could sponge the edges, but it's just so you can see a hint of it. Okay, pop that on there, and I think I'm going to go over the background one more time with my blend. I don't know whether the light balmy blue is starting to run out, but it has gone really streaky in some places, so I'm just going to go over it and just see if I can blend it so it looks like my other one. I know it won't look like the other one because it's a different colour. It's just trying to get rid of some of the streaks. I think it's because I didn't go in one direction. Generally, it doesn't really matter with the blends whether you go in the same direction or not, because the colour blends in with it. But when you're doing a big background like this, it is helpful to try and get it in one direction. It just is hard when you've got pointy flowers. That's looking a bit better. And now I've gone over it a few times, just a few bits by the leaves are looking a bit paler, but I'm so much happier with that effect. That is much better. Much better, happier. I'm going to stick the twine around now, so I want it about there. I've called it twine, by the way, it's not twine. Don't buy it and then say to me, oh, it's not twine. It's like a burlap, like I said. I just got used to saying twine, which is strange because I did a twine video the other day and called it ribbon all the way through, so I don't really know what's wrong with me. Some dimensionals, which I'm not exactly sure where I've put them. I put them on the top of my desk. Makes sense. It doesn't make sense, but there we go. Just pop that over the bottom of the burlap. Oh, I made that one shorter. You don't need exact measurements for sentiments though. I just think it's whatever you've got there. Work very well. Use your bone folder. You've got one there, girl. Right. Stick this down. And that's your card. So there's going to be a question now, obviously, because I've used two different colours. Which one do you prefer? I prefer the Seaside Spray. It's a little bit lighter to the balmy blue, but then I did go over the balmy blue 2 or 3 times. I think Seaside Spray is the winner. What do you think? Let me know, leave a comment below. If you did like this product, it is Celebrate Sunflowers and it is available from my store, slimandstylish.com. Go up to the header and click buy and it will take you straight into my online shop. You can add any of these items, the blends, the ribbons, the card, the stamp set, to your order. Don't forget to use my hostess code, which you can find on my website, and you get a special little present from me as a thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, do subscribe and I'll see you again soon. Bye everyone.